Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage personal fitness with Gold's Gym, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, determine your fitness goals. Consider whether you want to lose weight, gain muscle, or improve overall health. Next, visit your local Gold's Gym to explore the facilities. Take note of the equipment and classes offered. Sign up for a gym membership that fits your budget and lifestyle. Once you're a member, schedule an orientation session. During this session, ask questions and familiarize yourself with the equipment. Next, create a workout routine that suits your goals. Incorporate a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Aim for at least 3 to 5 days of exercise each week. Utilize Gold's Gym's group classes to stay motivated and meet new people. Try out a variety of classes like yoga, spinning, or HIIT. Track your progress regularly using a fitness app or journal. Set short-term and long-term goals to keep yourself accountable. Consider working with a personal trainer for personalized guidance. Learn proper form and technique to prevent injury. Stay disciplined with your workout schedule, even on challenging days. Listen to your body and rest when needed to recover. Plan balanced meals that fuel your workouts and support your goals. Stay hydrated and prioritize sleep for optimal recovery. Connect with fellow gym members for support and accountability. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Stay adaptable and open to adjusting your routine as needed. Remember, consistency is key to managing your personal fitness journey. Enjoy the process and make fitness a rewarding part of your lifestyle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.